The Umiam Bridge on the bustling Guwahati-Shillong Road is set for further repair works, prompting officials to announce temporary traffic measures. From the 31st of March to the 8th of April 2024, the bridge will see either full closure or partial access. Initial plans entail a complete blockade for 6 hours starting at 8 a.m. on the 31st of March, with exceptions for ambulance services. Subsequently, partial access will be granted to vehicles weighing up to 4 tons downstream of the bridge until 7 a.m. on the 8th of April. Full access for vehicles up to 15 tons will resume from 7 a.m. onwards on the 8th of April 2024 following the completion of the repair works.